Hello friends, today I am sharing this very easy tribal owl nail art, which is a continuous nail art design. You only need 3 colors for this nail art design. I am using grey as the background because owls come out during the night, but I didn't want to use black as the background. And then I am using white acrylic color to make the shape of the owl. Making the owl is fairly easy because all you need to do is make the shape of the number 8 for its body and then just give out 2 ears on top. Then I filled in the white color a little bit deeply, making the owl a little bit plumper. Once you're done with making the owl, all you need to do is make the shape of the continuous design. For this, take black color to make the branch of the tree, and keeping your 3 nails together, just adjust the branches so that it would look like it has ended on one nail and it is beginning at the same point on the other nail. Once this basic design is done, all you need to do is add on the details. So over here I am adding a bit more color on the owl by bordering the shape of the owl using black color. As I am not really good at freehand, I'll be making some mistakes, but don't worry about that because you can always correct up your mistakes by using some more white acrylic color. So after bordering the owl with the black color, I started making the details on the face of the owl. So in this manner I made the nose, which got a little bit messy, but later on I'll be correcting it with white acrylic color. And I made the head and the eyes. You can also use a dotting tool to make the eyes like I did later on. It is easier to make the eyes with the dotting tool, and once the face is done, I moved to the body and I made the 2 wings as shown, and I filled in some more details using the fine brush. Then I tidied up the face of the owl and redid the black border, and I also gave the owl 2 feet using the black polish. Then I moved on to the pointer finger and I continued making some leaves and a few more branches on the line which I had drawn. Just roughly draw the leaves because we'll be filling in white color, so you don't have to be perfect. And some branches also, and I repeated the same process on my ring finger. I made some leaves and branches, and once this is done, I'll go back and fill in white color on the inner part of the leaves. Once the design dried up, I filled in the inside using white acrylic color. And once the white polish also dried up, I repeated the border again and I filled in fine lines inside the leaf to give it a tribal inspired look. So I did this with the leaves on my pointer finger and also on my ring finger leaves. After finishing off this, I continued making the design on my little finger, and over here I used simply black color to make the leaves, and I continued the same design on my thumb as well. And once I made the continuous line, later on I added more branches and simple black leaves on my thumb also. Now finally I went back to the owl and gave white color on the inside of the eye, followed by the black pupil of the owl. So once the owl is also done and all the design dries up, I am using this top coat to give it a matte finish. Simply apply the top coat and let it dry. So in this manner I applied the top coat on all my nails and I let it dry, and as you can see it is looking glossy at the moment, but once it dries up you can see that it will have a matte finish, and after drying this is how it looks. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial, and I hope you like this very easy tribal owl nail art design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.